Remember who you are. The worst thing I can be is the same as everybody else. Everybody wants to be a bodybuilder, but nobody wants to lift heavy weights. If you are capable of sending a legible text messages between sets, you probably aren't working hard enough. There is a rule of thumb: eat for what you are going to be doing and not for what you have done. Don't take in more than you are willing to burn off. Responsible people not only depends on themselves but show others that they can be dependent upon. You have only one life to live and you are the artist of your life. Therefore, make your life as a masterpiece by being responsible for your life. If you want more control over your life, all you have to do is be responsible and assume your role as the artist of your life. Always there like a beacon in the pitch black, I found the iron to be the greatest friend. It never freaks out on me, never runs. Friends may come and go, but 100 pounds is always 100 pounds. The road to nowhere is paved with excuses. If I have to die tonight, if this weight is going to kill me tonight, so be it. I'm trying where I wanna be. Being negative and lazy is a disease that leads to pain, hardship, depression, poor health, and failure. Be proactive and give a diamond to achieve success. You may know of Arnold for many reasons, from his professional bodybuilding career, Hollywood movies, or becoming the governor of California. He is one who has found tremendous success in every area of life. His history shows that you can do anything in your life with dedication and hard work. A bodybuilder is a sculptor who carries with him his own material. Believing in myself and not be afraid of taking risks. I have to be better than the average person to succeed. That's why I chose bodybuilding. If I become a champion, if I could win admiration from my peers, I can do anything. At the end of the day, it's not a weight contest, it's a visual contest. And it doesn't matter what you say you weigh. If you don't look that big, then you don't look that big. As your bodybuilding aim become higher, obviously you have to work harder. Until believe it or not, you are performing from 20 to 30 sets of both biceps and triceps, 3 workouts per week.